Founded in 1993, Minh Hoa is known as Vietnam's leading valve and tap producer that boasts a complete and highly automated production process and puts millions of products on various domestic and foreign markets every year. Minh Hoa has distribution networks in all 63 cities and provinces across Vietnam. With their quality highly praised by customers, Minh Hoa's valves and taps meet the strictest quality standards in various projects. In Minh Hoa, all input materials must meet European standards, and their chemical composition is thoroughly examined with spectrum analyzer from Germany. Brass and zinc alloys used as input materials are directly imported, thus having the required contents of brass, lead, zinc, and other elements. Domestic materials are also carefully selected and preserved with standard techniques during transportation. More than 400 staffs and workers in Minh Hoa graduated from vocational schools and universities. Notably, the company's leaders have been well qualified for and had more than 20 years of experience in valve and tap production. The whole production process in Minh Hoa is created based on the British specification BS 5154/1991 and the ISO 9001:2015 quality management system. This year, Minh Hoa has started its automatic machinery and become the first automated valve and tap factory in Vietnam. This contributes to enhanced productivity, efficient use of materials, and uniform quality, thus meeting large orders from domestic and foreign clients. With the system of automated ingot cutting, press, completing, assembly machines, Minh Hoa is capable of producing a huge output of the valve and tap from 6mm to 100mm with uniform quality and impressive design. With the ISO 9001:2015 quality management system, Minh Hoa is perfectly able to meet the most demanding requirements and large orders from customers across the world in a short time. Investing in automated production lines is Minh Hoa's strategic move aimed at optimizing its available resources. This move shows Minh Hoa's determination in creating valves and taps of international standards. Before reaching the market, all of Minh Hoa's valves and taps have to pass strict quality and pressure tests. All products must have stable structures, be able to sustain pressures of 10 to 30 kg per square centimeters, meet international standards, and be verified by the Vietnamese Directorate for Standards, Metrology, and Quality. So far, Minh Hoa's valves and taps have been exported to 12 countries and territories, including major customers in Malaysia, South Korea, Japan, Germany, France, Spain, and the US. Product quality has been highly appreciated by customers. In addition to boosting export, Minh Hoa is also supplying equipment to the sectors of water, gas, and supporting industries. Minh Hoa is also cooperating with domestic and foreign partners in providing equipment and spare parts for precision mechanics. During nearly 30 years of development, Minh Hoa has continuously renovated its machinery, technology, management, and production process. Minh Hoa's products have proved their significant presence and quality in all of Vietnam's 63 cities and provinces and kept reaching new export markets. With good production capacity, an advanced quality management system, and professional marketing staff, Minh Hoa always welcomes more friends, partners, and customers from around the world, placing orders for valves, taps, and fittings.